What makes the progress of human civilization? What makes the rapid development of science and technology? VIGGO is constantly correcting its pace and changing the traditional cleaning industry that has not changed for thousands of years with a new perspective. VIGGO Autonomous Driving Sweeper and Floor Scrubber Series is a sub-brand of iDriverPlus that has been commercialized in Intelligent Life. It is one of the first unmanned vehicle brands in China to focus on the field of unmanned cleaning and sanitation, aiming to free people from repetitive, boring, and heavy work, and help enterprises reduce costs and increase efficiency. Currently, it has achieved commercialization. The VIGGO series cleaning products have completed a leap from being a human tool to being a powerful human helper. The continuous deepening of the concept of intelligent cleaning allows VIGGO to independently discover and solve unexpected tasks, accurately plan paths, truly realize blind area coverage, and achieve stronger obstacle avoidance function through rapid mapping. Sweeping, scrubbing, and mopping all in one, and a double roller brushes design makes cleaning more professional. VIGGO can easily make a U-turn on wide and narrow roads, and its convenient automatic map update function ensures its comprehensive security. The combination of sensors reduces vehicle blind spots, making cleaning more professional. VIGGO adheres to the concept of upgrading from a supplementary tool to a human helper. A simplified operating system and a one-click start mode allow it to start working at any time without the help of professionals. Cloud and mobile terminal synchronous management allows you free from worry. VIGGO can wake up automatically, cleaning regularly, and also generate a working report for you. The functions of intelligent interaction, elevator control, environmental spray, and intelligent sweeping of missed places are well appraised by users. Whether in office buildings, hospitals, streets, or crowded supermarkets, VIGGO can identify the environment perfectly, judge situations independently, and make decisions independently, making high-standard cleaning an industry standard for intelligent cleaning, and realizing a high level of intelligent cleaning in all scenarios. Since the birth of the first product of VIGGO, it has been put into operation in more than 100 cities and more than 1,000 customer sites, with a cumulative cleaning area of up to hundreds of millions of square meters. Wake up the clean mission with science and technology and improve the progress of human civilization with change. It is not only a leap forward in the cleaning and sanitation industry, but also an industrial revolution for mankind. iDriverPlus builds an intelligent life. VIGGO makes cleaning easier.